Product disclaimer. The Iteracare blower is not a medical device, and the manufacturer does not provide medical advice. Users understand that the device is not intended for medical or diagnostic purposes. Its use should not replace reliance on medical treatment or advice from a qualified healthcare provider. A true leader knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Welcome to Knowing Your Business series.
Amazing products, o di ba? Amazing products. Ang nakakatuwa dito, guys, when they started teaming up with this company, kita nyo naman na kompleto rin. As in, ganyan katindi yung company na to. And one of the directors of this company, basahin nyo to, is a world-renowned respiratory disease specialist. So, don't be surprised kung bakit itong produkto na to really works. Because pinag-aralan talaga. They studied it. That's why they created this product for Prive, for us to benefit from it. Not just you, but the people you love the most. Now, let me share to you why you should have this product. Reasons. I'm gonna give you, there's so many reasons Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo lahat ng reasons, but I'm gonna highlight 3 reasons why you need this product. Number 1, it has negative ions. And I'm gonna be talking a little bit about that para po mas lalo nyo po ma-internalize what is negative ions. Next, it's lightweight and meron siyang silent mode. Alam mo, when I was hearing about this, akala ko nga parang some of you probably are thinking silent mode. So bakit big deal yan? Later I'm going to share it to you, okay? All right. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. If you're ready, type nyo nga dyan, I'm ready. Let's go. Sige nga, type nyo nga bago natin pag-usapan itong matinding feature na to. Sige po. Yes, thank you. Ayan. Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko nag-engage kayo. Gusto ko nagko-comment kayo. I want to feel your energy, ladies. Ladies and gentlemen, gusto ko kasama ko kayo ngayon. Now, so what are negative ions? You can research on negative ions. My suggestion, research on it. Alamin nyo kung anong negative ions. Alamin nyo kung bakit to powerful, ba't siya maganda. Now, pinaka-simplest. What are negative ions? It's vitamins of the air. Ito po yung nalalanghap nyo pag pumupunta kayo sa beach, pag pumupunta kayo sa mga forest, pag nag-hiking kayo at merong breeze, tapos parang pag amoy mo sobrang, oh my God, you feel so refreshed. Yung naaamoy mo na yon is actually negative ions. Sobrang yung concentration niya is nasa mga puno at nasa tubig, lalong nasa ocean. Napaka-powerful niyan. Kaya talaga literally pag gamit nyo itong product natin, ako sinasabi ko sa inyo, para ka pong nasa ocean. Wow! Ganon katindi. So anyway, so saan po? Samples pa, para lang mas lalo nyo maintindihan. Saan ba nakikita ang negative ions? Like what I said, sa oceans, sa waterfalls, nandiyan yan. Okay? Ito, bigyan ko kayo ng example. If you're taking a shower, alam nyo ba, when the water hits the wall, it actually emits negative ions. Kaya nga pag ikaw nagdidilig ka, pansinin mo, habang nagdidilig ka, tapos inaano mo siya, pinapatama mo sa pader, sa wall, mafe-feel mo parang may refreshing na and soothing na amoy kang naaamoy, na parang feeling mo ang sarap-sarap. Nagets nyo yun? Alam ko marami sa inyo nararanasan yun, marami sa inyo gumagawa yun. When you take, like what I said, when you take a shower, pag tumama ngayon, yung water sa wall, yung nafe-feel mo, yung naaamoy mong refreshing, yun yung negative ions yun. And even when it hits your body, pag tumama yan, it releases the negative ions. Yun ngayon yung nalalanghap mo. That's why don't be surprised. You feel refreshed. every time you take a shower. Are you getting this? That is negative ions. Now, tignan nyo rin to ha. Ito pinakamatindi dyan. Ang negative ions, bakit siya powerful? Obviously, from the word negative, meron kasi siyang negatively charged particle. Ang ginagawa kasi nito, dumidikit siya sa lahat ng positively charged particles. Alam mo kung ano yung mga particles na yun? Yan yung mga dust. Yan yung mga bacteria. Yan yung mga virus. Kasi sila positively charged. So ang nangyayari, negative, o to, science tayo ng konti, negative plus positive, pag tumama ngayon yan, inaano niya, kumbaga parang naka-cancel out niya. Kaya ang nangyayari, it drops down. Natatanggal, nawawala yung bisa nung bacteria na yan, nung virus na yan. Kaya don't be surprised bakit ang daming mga negative ion products that came out of all the years that I've been working in network marketing. Ang daming lumabas sa product because they know that negative ions are powerful tools for our health. So yan yung pinaka-the best dyan. Okay? Are you learning, guys? Yes? Sige nga, type nyo nga dyan. Sabihin nyo, I'm learning. Ayan. Thank you sa mga nagko-comment ha. Yan, maganda yan. Huwag tayo, maganda mag-message rin. Okay? So, going back. So, yun yung napakaganda sa product natin. Now, just to highlight what are the benefits of negative ions? Number one, it purifies your blood. Can you imagine that is how powerful negative ions are. Yung blood natin maraming impurities yan. Where do we get it? From the food, like what I said, from the food that we eat, from the water that we drink. Whether you like it or not, it goes through your system, it goes through your blood. What the negative ions does to our body, to our blood, especially pag pumasok na yan sa bloodstream natin, it purifies the blood. Ano pa? Yung pH balance, ginagawa yan para hindi po maging acidic ang katawan natin. Yan po ang ginagawa ng negative ions. It enhances cell metabolism. It's also a powerful antioxidant. Imaginein mo, negative ions, antioxidant siya sa katawan, okay? Strengthens our immune system, overcoming headache and anxiety, prevents arteriosclerosis. Si Upline Faith ang magaling dyan. Magaling kasi mga articulation yan eh. Overcoming insomnia and of course balances yung autonomic nervous system natin. Yung katawan natin. Can you imagine, especially the nervous system, ganyan ka-powerful. Ang takeaway ko dyan is the three major things na ginagawa ng negative ions. Number one, ito yung ginagawa niya sa katawan natin, to our body. It reduces the stress and depression. It will reduce stress and depression. How many of you know that a lot of people are going through stress and depression right now? Sige, comment dyan, comment. There are a lot of people are going through this. So definitely, it will enhance their mood. Listen to this, guys. The negative ions inside our machine can actually improve yung yung mood nila, yung change of yung mood. Minsan alam mo yung parang masama pakiramdam, minsan parang nasasad na sila because that's what depression does. 'Di ba? Talagang yung emotional state, grabe, tatamaan talaga diyan. Another is boosts your immune system. 100%. How many of you know that we need our immune system to be working extra hard? Yes or yes? Yan ang nagagawa ng product natin. And lastly, it will protect us from the growth of harmful bacteria and viruses. Guys, sobrang galing talaga nitong negative ions because it can detect what is the good and the bad bacteria. Pag bad bacteria, kina-cancel out niya. Ganun siya ka-powerful. Now, sabi nga dito, and I want to talk a little bit, ito connected talaga sa natin, product natin. Kaya nga perfect siya. Perfect siya sa ating sa business natin dito sa Prive. Why? Sabi nga dito, human is made up of cells, and cells disorder are the source of disease. Can you imagine cell disorder is the source of diseases. Kaya nga, di ba, pinag-uusapan na natin ng cells. Our cells needs to be healthy. Cells also depend on the dynamic balance of positive and negative. Positive and negative Okay? Kailangan balanse po yan yung mga negative ions na yan. So pag sobrang positive ions, hindi rin maganda. It has to balance. And once that this balance is broken, listen to this, cells develops lesions. Anong lesions? Nagkakaroon ng mga sugat yan. O di ba? Pag nagkakasugat ang cells mo, medyo delikado ang katawan natin. So you really have to take care of yourself and take care of your cells. O di ba? Now, sabi nga dito ni Dr. Philip Leonard, isa po siyang napakagaling na physicist, okay? Nung 19th century, di ba? Grabe talaga itong brilliant talaga itong mga taon to, no? Negative ions that exist in the natural environment are good for our health. It's really for us. Bigyan ko kayo ng insight. Hindi niyo ba napapansin? When somebody is sick, nandito sa city, karamihan sa our culture in the Philippines, when somebody is sick, we tend to send them in the province. Why? Because it's it's cost efficient. It's we can hire people to take care of our old or our sick family members. So it's more of, and they stay away from the stress here in the city. But this is the thing. How many of you know that when you send them to the province, especially in the houses, or if they live near the beach, they actually become healthier. They actually recover. Because I've been hearing so many testimonies that what they did, they just walk on the shore of the beach, just getting all of that fresh air. Oh, that's what they say, fresh air. Inaamoy lang nila. They just take it in. But they don't realize what's going through their system are negative ions. That is so powerful, guys. Now, says in this book, Professor Wang Zongjun, Beijing Forester University, that our body, to ensure for a healthy, optimum body, you need to breathe at least 13 billion negative ions a day. 13 billion, guys, yan yung pinaka-importante. Alam ba't nalaman namin to? Kasi binilang namin 13 billion pa lang kailangan mo na negative ions. Yan po ang katotohanan. Ito ngayon ang good news. Gusto nyo makakuha ng negative ions? Ayan po, binibigyan ko na kayo ng chance. Ayan, pumunta kayo sa mga lugar na to. Waterfalls, ayan. Mga country field, di ba? Doon sa mga kaya nga, huwag kang magtaka yung mga farmers natin, healthy. Hindi ka ba nagtataka? Mga farmers natin are very healthy kasi yung negative ions, they have an abundant and meron silang unlimited supply of negative ions. Can you imagine? Okay? Pero tignan nyo to. I want you to look at the numbers. Sa forest, sa waterfall, 10,000 to 20,000 cubic centimeters available po ang negative ions. Sa country field, 1,000 to 5,000 cubic centimeters. Ito malala. Pag pumunta ka sa park, kasi medyo na yan, no? Medyo papasok ng city. Good news, meron pa rin. 400 to 1,000 negative ions ang available per cubic centimeter. Ito matindi. Marami dito sa office. 40 to 50 cubic centimeter lang. Oh my God, ang konti ng negative ion. Kaya nga pag pag tinignan nyo po lahat compared sa mga mountains, sa city park, pumunta ka po sa industrial area. Gusto ko makita nyo yan. Zero negative ions. Kaya huwag ka magtaka. Pagpunta mo sa mga construction site, you feel so dirty. You feel that you can't breathe. Yes or yes? Ganon katindi, zero ang negative ions. Pumunta po kayo, I'm sorry, but pumunta po kayo sa slums, sa mga squatter area, dahil nga masyadong congested, wala masyadong mga puno, wala masyadong sobrang zero na po ang negative ions. If you look at it, it doesn't just affect their health, but they also affects how they think. Negative ions are so important in our bodies that it affects your health and your thinking, your mental capacity. Amazing talaga ang negative ions. Now, good news. Ilan ang napoproduce ng atin? 60 million negative ions ang napoproduce nitong very, very small na produkto natin, but it emits 60 million negative ions. Yan ang linalabas po nito. Imagine mo with the concentration of 10,000 negative ions per cubic centimeter, it literally enhances your body already. What more with 60 million negative ions? That's why, huwag ka rin magtaka kung ba't kailangan natin itong suotin lagi. Whether you like it or not, humihinga ka. Hindi mo yan maiiwasan. Okay? Kaya yun ang nagagawa nito. Amazing. Aren't we blessed to have a product like this? Yes or yes? Sige nga, comment nga kayo dyan. Sino dito, they feel blessed na meron tayong ganitong kagandang product? Okay? So, may nagtanong nga sa akin, I remember when we were talking about these negative ions. Actually, for the past years, like what I said, I can say I'm a seasoned businessman when it comes to negative ions. Kasi if you look at it, there's so many negative ion products that came out from shirts, shoes, from sakama, from napkins, from relo, from glasses. Maraming may negative ions because they all know that negative ions are very, very powerful. So don't be surprised why negative ions will keep on continuing to develop, and don't be surprised kung bakit magsistay ang negative ion products dito sa market natin. Because at the end of the day, there is innovation. And this is one of the innovations. Guys, may nagsabi pa nga sir, what you're talking about is basically a air purifier. That's correct. Kaya nga nauso yung ionizers. Have you heard about ionizers? Yes. Di ba? Air conditions have ionizers now. Even from the water, they ionize the water now. There's so many innovations when it comes to negative ions. And I believe that these products are also powerful. You can actually use it. You can actually buy it for you and your family. But the thing is, why connect or why get a ion shield? Simply because it's portable. We are talking about a 10 grams weight na produkto. Can you imagine gusto mo kung meron kang purifier sa bahay or meron kang ionizer, o didalhin mo kahit saan. 'Di ba? Dala-dala mo bigat-bigat. Ito po, portable. Less than 10 grams. Sa akin kasi you have to think about this, guys. Minsan kasi tayo, we don't think about the weight. Kasi feeling natin, half a kilo, kayang-kaya natin buhatin. Sabihin na lang natin, meron kang 1 kilo ng, what do you call this? Ng cotton. Hawak-hawak mo siya. Tama? Magaang. Do you agree? Di ba? 1 kilo no? Kayang-kaya. Pero hawak-hawak mo siya for the next 8 hours. What happens? You get tired. Tama? Bumibigat na siya. Can you imagine with just 10 grams, you can literally, it feels like a feather. Ganun siya ka-light. Kaya pag gamit mo siya, hindi po nagde-develop ng stress sa leeg mo, sa shoulders mo. Is that good or very good? That's why I'm so amazed with this product. Talagang pinag-isipan nila itong powerful na to. Now, that's my second reason kung bakit nyo kailangan bilhin to. And the third reason, I want you to realize this. This is a machine. Any machine will create some certain noise. Meron kayong relo, pansinin mo yung relo, ilagay mo sa tenga mo, it starts ticking because there's a mechanism, tama? So, meron talaga, it emits sound. Our product, yun yung nakakatuwa dito, sobra po siyang silent. When it operates, as in literally meron siyang silent mode that you can't even hear it. That's how powerful the product is. So it's lightweight and it doesn't emit any disturbing sound. Good or very good? Diba? Yun yung pinaka-the best nun. It doesn't emit any sound. Yun yung, nakalagay nga dito, low decibel sound. Hindi Jezebel, decibel. Decibel sound siya. Wala po talaga, as in literally, hindi mo siya marinig. Which is good. Kasi tayo, we need to concentrate on whatever we're doing. We need to focus on whatever we're doing. And with this kind of device, kasi guys kaya alam ko to, kasi marami ako mga nakitang mga machines na ionizers. When you turn it on, oh my God, parang grabe, para siyang blower. Hearing it for 30 minutes, it's okay. Pero hearing it for a few hours, it disrupts your concentration. Our product is so silent, you can literally use it while sleeping. Ganun na ka-literal. Pero don't do that. Siyempre, kwintas pa rin to eh. Are you getting this? Yes or yes? All right. So when you use it, guys, 40 minutes of charging it, it will last you for 8 hours. Ganun katindi yung product na to. So 40 minutes lang yan. Once it's charged, use it. 8 hours, protected ka. Full of negative ions. Kaya sigurado ako, hindi ka basta-basta, hindi ka talaga basta-bastang magkakaroon ng sipon, mga colds, you won't hit that. Alright? What else? So, syempre, pinaka-basic na product, you just turn it on. Simple, one button lang po tayo ha. And manonotice nyo rin dito ha, once you use it, meron kang makikita dito para, dito kasi nag-emit, dito ayan o. Dito nag-emit at lumalabas po yung negative ions. Dito, dyan no, parang, di ba parang may brush siya? So alam mo yung ginagawa na to, listen to this ha, it actually mimics yung pagtama ng water sa wall. Di ba, like what I said, any surface, once it hits, water hits that, nagkaroon ng friction, nagre-release ng negative ions. Same thing with this. Actually, it emits negative ion, pero once you actually do this with the brush, it emits more. Ang galing ano? Ang simple product, simple design, pero very powerful. What else? Sophisticated ang ano natin, designs natin. Ito nakikita nyo, actually, I think they call this pearl white if I'm not mistaken. Tanong na lang natin kay Sir Third. Ako personally, I love the blue one. Sobrang yan yung isa sa pinaka-paborito ko. Yung blue na design. May iba-iba pa po tayong colors and I feel that in the future, they're gonna be adding more colors to that. O, di ba? Tapos meron diyan yung parang chameleon na color na pag tinitignan mo parang nag-change siya ng iba-ibang color. May blue, may red, may ano. Ang ganda rin nun. Very, very classy. Alright? What else? So, just to show you the details of the product, yung dimensions niya, sobrang liit niyan. Ayan o, literally you can put it, ayan o, ayan po, ito po yung kamay ko ngayon o, ganyan lang siya kaliit. You can check it out. If you haven't had the chance to check this out. Oh, by the way, I forgot to do this. Okay, it's my fault. Sorry, Dean, but you can actually have a test with this product. Okay, what you do we're all mature here. I know some of you are vaping. My suggestion, if you have this unit, put it under a glass. Tapos mag-blow ka. Put in some vape. Close it inside with this. It will start, you will be surprised, it will start to, you smoke, parang sisip-sipin niya. It will start to take it in. It will start cleaning that air. We've done it. Sorry, wasn't able to put it on video, but my suggestion, because this is an interactive training, this is an interactive session, I want you to do it on your own. Okay po ba yan? Yes? How many of you would do that experiment? Sige nga. Sinong gagawa niyan? Sige. Tapos share it, guys. Share it with your friends. Share it to your leaders, to your uplines, to your downlines rather. Share it to your downlines para makita nila how powerful this. Okay? What else? Oh, by the way, they also did a test result with this product. Oh, sorry about that. They also did a test result. Ayan po yung result. Talagang nag-i-emit po siya ng 60 million negative ions. Ayan po. Meron po tayong test results with our ion shield. Ang galing talaga. Okay? What else? I mean, it's safe to use. Sobrang ganda nitong product natin. Oh, by the way, baka magtaka kayo kasi may nagtanong sa akin, Sir, ang tagal-tagal na nung machine ko, hindi ko po siya ma-on. Hindi ko po siya alam kung may charge. Okay, ang charging niya nandito, nasa likod. Okay, huwag niyo hanapan ng USB dito. Meron po siyang magnetic charger dito. Kaya nga unique yung charger natin eh. Tapos yan, pag dumikit, magnet, tutunog yan, didikit siya, tapos magsa-start na siyang umilaw dito, nagcha-charge na siya. Okay po ba yan? Okay, dito po ha, wag hanapan ng USB, baka magalit ka doon sa magbenta sa iyo. Anyway guys, ito po, just to give you a few more of the benefits of this product. Of course, it's small, it's lightweight, long battery life. Can you imagine 40 minutes, 8 hours? Provides healthy negative ions anytime, anywhere. Yun yung gusto ko dito. It's portable anywhere you go. regulates regulate the body's ion balance, neutralizes free radicals. Yung mga free radicals yan, yung mga bacteria, yung mga dust, okay? It cancels it out. Tapos, ang maganda pa dito, improves your body function. Pinapaganda niya talaga yung health mo. Okay, purify, secondhand smokes, removes, ito pinakamatindi, basta si Ma'am Faith na yung makabasa niyan. Okay, it removes bad odor. Yan yung minsan natatamaan natin, syempre, di ba? Pag may mga makakausap ka, medyo bad breath, o di ba? Iangat mo lang to. Okay. Ang galing talaga, okay? Especially kung meron ka mga kakilala nagso-smoke, this product is for you. Definitely. Kaya nga, magugulat ka, there are people who actually lose their lives from secondhand smoking. They don't smoke, but they get lung cancer. That's a reality. So, this is very powerful. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, ang ganda na sinabi nga dito, breathe. Okay? Breathe forest air daily with our Ion Shield device. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you got a lot of information from what we talked about. And I'm just so privileged to share this amazing device with you. So, yes, thank you so much to everyone who's watching. Thank you po.